I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead.
No!
You have 10 HP.
I know.
So if you kill the people, you could kill the spider and win this.
You
Yeah,
sure?
I think there's that one team left, and if you go for the spider and kill them, you can res me.
Are you
So,
sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Wait.
I'm not sure. Okay, you do what you think is best. I trust you.
I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh my fucking god! I'm just gonna abuse this door.
Yeah, abuse that door.
Holy moly! This thing is hella fast. Oh my gosh! I'm panicking so hard right now.
Gamer fish.
Oh! Why did you get scared?
He came out of nowhere.
I'm trying to bite it.
Okay. Dude,
Yes!
oh my god.
Thank God! Oh my god. This is insane. Okay. Wait. First day? Wait, hold on. Oh. I didn't mean to... Where do I... Can I place this? How do I drop this?
I don't know.